one life to live out here in this world, man. If you don't do it right now, then when you gonna do it? If you don't do it for nobody else, make sure you do it for yourself.
If you ain't got nobody to do it for, then do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. And when they start hating on you, tell them thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. If you ain't got nobody to do it for, then do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. And when they start hating on you, tell them thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help.
And what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. I know y'all see that content picking up. I know it, man. Look, the boy back on the grind, man. I know. But before we get into the content, man, off the rip, I need everybody to like, comment, share, subscribe if you ain't already did that. But most importantly, hit that like button, guys. We got to get into the algorithm, man. And we are this close to 10,000 subscribers, man. So we got to hit that 10K mark, guys. It's been a long time coming, and we got a long way to go. But that's a huge milestone, man. I've been putting in work for the last couple years, man. So we got to hit that 10K mark. But in today's video, man, we are doing a unboxing. I got a package from Down for Sound, and it's gonna seriously help this damn truck. I mean, like, seriously, it seriously should help this truck, man, for real. If y'all interested in seeing what I got going on, I know y'all already seen the title, I know y'all already seen the thumbnail, but I mean, this YouTube, man, y'all know how they go. This your boy Bass at it, man. Look, let's get it. All right, guys, so I'm sitting on the floor like a toddler. Thank God I'm still able to do that. But we better tear into this box, man. Let's see what we got ourselves. And I think this is gonna go in the truck, man. So let's see what we got from Down for Sound. All right, we got, yeah. Okay. Oh man, we got all type of goodies in here, fella. All type of goodies, man. Oh my God, bro. Yes, sir. Huh? Man, look, we got to rock them. Oh yeah, they shirt fires on no wet, man. Okay. Got us a voltage meter. Need that. Got us a lollipop, sucker, whatever y'all want to call it. One of my baby probably gonna get that. And what do we have in here? In this package? A whole bunch of nuts and bolts. What is this? Oh, all right, it came off a shirt. We got some connecting rods or bus bars, whatever you want to call them. Some more connecting rods, bus bars. Oh man, we got all type of hardware right here, fellas. I ain't gonna lie, I feel like a little kid on criminal right here, man. Y'all see how I'm sitting on the floor, opening my gift. Like a kid on criminal, dog. But, oh yeah, we got us another sticker. Bro, we got another decal that bitch got to go on the truck. Oh God. Y'all see what we got ourselves, man. We got two of the Down for Sound LTO 6.0 lithium batteries, man. We have two of them things. I ain't gonna open both of them because they the same thing, but all right, we have some mountain screws and like lock washer and a washer on it. Look like we have the 1 year limited warranty and These are just tips and pretty much telling you how to install the battery and how to operate and all that good stuff. But look at this joker here, guys. Man, look. Can I get this joker out in one hand? Look at this little joker, man. The reason why I went with these is, for one, it's gonna be installed in my truck. And y'all know, if you're doing a build in the truck, unless you're going crazy with a wall or a blow through or something like that, if you're going under the seat or something like that right there, guys, space is everything. So with two of these little babies, guess what? I can throw them up on the seat, not take up a lot of real estate, and still get that power, man. And like I was saying earlier, I said 3 to 10,000, but at 3 to 5,000, that was my mistake. But there are 3 to 5,000 watts, and that's solely depending on your alternator. I got an alternator on the way for the truck. I'm only going with like a 240 or something like that right there. Not gonna go real crazy with it, but it's gonna be stout for what I'm gonna run in the truck, and I'm planning on blowing a lot of people's mind with this shit right here. I literally feel like a kid on Christmas, bro. I can't lie. But like I say, they are tiny. I don't have big hands, guys. My hands are not the biggest at all. But I can almost palm these jokers, and like I say, I do not have the biggest hands in the world, guys. I can almost palm this joker like a basketball, man. Like, that my hand fully extended, bro. Definitely not the biggest battery in the world, but from the videos I've seen and from Jonathan Price's reviews on them, never underestimate nobody. The next step is gonna be getting my multimeter. I'm gonna check the voltage on them and see what the voltage sitting at straight out the box, and then I'm gonna get my charge out. I'm gonna charge them up. Off camera, I'm gonna read all the instructions and all that good stuff and make sure I don't fuck nothing up. But I'm gonna charge them up. I gotta go uptown to get me some more lugs, and then after they're charged, we're gonna hook them up to the system. Y'all wanna see that install video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Click that notification bell, fella. If y'all wanna see that install video, I'm expecting it to be a crazy difference, man. All right, so they was at 11.6, so they mean they are 10% charged. And these jokers got to be charged up a lot. We need to get them to 13.6, which is 100%. Right now, we at 10%, so they need to be charged. All right, guys, so that was the unboxing of my 2 JP LTO 6.0 lithium cells, man. Now, if y'all were paying attention to the channel, y'all know I got 8 of those headway cells that I got off a website, and I actually went on Project DB and ordered me some bus bars, which was like a month and a half ago, man. Haven't heard from nobody, man. I have sent emails, I tried to call, I tried everything, man. Haven't heard from nobody. So there was money spent, no bus bars. So if any one of y'all can connect with somebody from Project DB, man, please send them my way. It's no animosity. I just want to know, like, what's going on, bro. That's it. If y'all want to see the install video of me charging the batteries and actually implementing into the truck before I get my alternator and all that, y'all got to like, comment, share, subscribe. That's the only way you're gonna get that content, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe, but especially hit that like button, because we got to get into the algorithm. We almost at 10K, guys. We going up. and the content is on the way. The damn AC unit just kicked back on. Killed the video. But this your boy Bass Addict checking out with another one. We are
I'm bringing that pressure, whether it wrong or it right. A snake gon' be a snake, whether it dark or it light. A dog gon' be a dog, whether he bark or he bite. I got a nigga in that cell, I pray to y'all he be alright. I'm bringing that pressure, whether it wrong or it right.